What's up guys, it's day 59 of the cut and of me trying my best to get rid of my acne while eating as healthy as I can. And today, I'm cherry picking. Woke up pretty early and I totally forgot to check my weight. Woke up at like 5, 6 a.m, I don't remember. Just slept in the car, now we're here. Let's try one of these cherries. I did eat half a quesadilla in the morning. Totally forgot to take a video of that. I was just way too tired. Look at this little cherry. Look at that. Damn, these are pretty good. What? They're like candy. I eat like 5 pounds of cherries. Gonna go to the beach later, eat some good food, and make today a cheat day. You know the lingo, I get one cheat meal every Friday or Saturday, or Sunday, the weekend. But today, I wanna make it a cheat day. I'm excited. I'm doing some cherry picking. I'll catch you guys later. So beautiful. Man, this is the life. Just having a few fruit trees in your backyard, living by a lake, just chilling. That's a dream. I just found my glasses. Wow. I started walking from down there all the way over here. I looked for them like, I don't know, 10 minutes over there. I came over here, boom, found them right there. I'm so grateful I found these glasses. These are my favorite sunglasses. Now I can go back to enjoying this day. This glorious day. Such a wonderful opportunity to pick cherries. Enjoy this moment. Wow! It's currently 2:11. I got a burger. This is a horrible burger. This shit was $17. Oh my gosh, this is so bad.
Oh, you're right.
Eating some dinner right now. It's 5:16. Take a bite. Amazing. It's long. It's currently 8:10. Barely got any protein in, so I want to make a protein shake. This tastes exactly like Smoothie King. A 1-to-1.